In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Copilot in Excel Microsoft 365. First, make sure you're using the desktop version of Excel that comes with Microsoft 365, not an older standalone version. Copilot is designed to work with the subscription-based Microsoft 365 apps. So if your Excel looks very outdated, you may need to update or switch to the correct version. Go ahead and open Excel on your computer. You can either open a new blank workbook or an existing file. Copilot can work in both. Once Excel is open, glance toward the top of the window and look at the ribbon, which is the row of tabs and icons running across the screen. What we want to find is the Copilot icon. Depending on your version and your organization settings, it may appear directly in the Home tab, usually toward the right side of the ribbon. Take a moment to scan along the Home tab and look for an icon labeled Copilot, or one that has a small sparkle-like logo. If you don't see it immediately, try checking other common tabs, such as Insert or Data, because sometimes the layout can be customized. Another helpful step is to make sure your app is fully updated. On Windows, you can go to the File tab, then Account, and look for the Update Options button to check for updates. Installing the latest updates can often make the Copilot button appear if your license includes it. Now, if you still don't see Copilot, it's possible that your Microsoft 365 plan or your organization's administrator has not enabled it yet. In that case, you may need to contact your IT department or check your subscription details in your Microsoft account to confirm that Copilot is included and turned on. Once the Copilot icon is visible, you're ready to start using it. Click the Copilot button, and a panel will open, usually on the right side of your Excel window. This is where you can type natural language prompts, like asking it to create a summary of your data, generate formulas, or analyze trends based on the information in your spreadsheet. From here, you can interact with Copilot as you work, refining your prompts and letting it help you build formulas, tables, or even complete reports. That's all you need to do to turn on and access Copilot in Excel Microsoft 365.